Welcome. This is Tom Lee, the Baton Manager for the Virginia Beach and Chesapeake campus. And this is one of our videos series this semester looking at various techniques to help you in the classroom. This particular topic is called creating course videos. There is overwhelming evidence that videos can be a very powerful teaching tool. Videos can easily convey information, engage the viewer on multiple cognitive and emotional levels, and puts the pace of learning in the student's hands. So this short video will introduce you to 4 methods to produce your own course videos, and we will be offering workshops throughout the month of November to help you with some of these methods. Now the first method I'm going to talk about actually I am using right now. I have created a PowerPoint presentation, and on my computer I am playing it back along with a microphone and recording the video. So I can record every slide, and as I move the mouse around, if I were to actually draw on this using some of the drawing tools like this, it would record everything I'm doing and could be played back. Alright, so using PowerPoint, in the feature under your slideshow settings, you would simply click on record slideshow, and then at the very end you would save this as a movie, and it will create an MP4 video file. And then at the end we'll show you where you can upload these files and share it with your students. So PowerPoint does have a feature to create your own videos, so you definitely want to give that a try. Another method we have here at Tidewater Community College is the program called Panopto Video Capture. We've been using Panopto for about 4 years now, and the great thing about it is you can set it up either in your classroom to record a live lecture, or you can record a lecture by yourself on your computer to be played back later for students either on Blackboard or on YouTube. But basically with Panopto, you can record anything that you do on the computer screen, going to various websites, opening up software, opening up any kind of applications where you're demonstrating how to use something, any videos you play back. If you happen to do any kind of Blackboard annotations on this computer screen, it can record all of those. And it also has a webcam feature where if you would like to have your face recorded as you're talking, or if you're using a demonstration and you want to use the webcam for that, you can actually record the demonstration. And the great thing about Panopto is it does upload directly into Blackboard into whatever course that you are teaching. Pretty much set up that way. The way the Panopto screen recorder works is you record either with your webcam, or you can record anything on the computer using a PowerPoint or screen capture, and you decide what the students will watch. Will they watch the screen recording? Will they watch you talking about something? And then also they can, because it is video, they can play it back, they can pause it, and they can replay it, and it is pretty much assigned to a particular course that you're teaching on Blackboard. Another method you could use to create course videos is by using your iPad or pretty much any mobile device, iPhone, Androids, Galaxies. They do come with, first of all, a great camera, a great high quality camera, and right now the iPads, the newer ones, are recording in 4K video. The previous ones were doing HD video. So you could use your iPad to record a lab demonstration, a procedure, a tour of something, a walk through the woods, type of plants, where you're recording with the actual iPad, and you can actually put them on a tripod. You can use other microphones, and you can very easily record some great high quality video. And then when you finish, you can edit using the software called iMovie. It's a free app that you can download for your device or your computer, and you just simply bring in your video, you cut out parts that you would like to get rid of, and you bring them all together. It's a great, easy app to edit your videos. And also on the iPad, you can actually download apps such as Explain Everything, which allows you to use your iPad as a whiteboard, where you can using a pen or your finger, you can draw diagrams, math problems, flow charts. You can bring in pictures, you can bring in other video, you can bring in shapes. And the nice thing about it is, as you're writing and recording in the recording feature, it does record your voice right along with it, just like PowerPoint is recording my voice right now. And then so you can do an interactive white screen. You can write on it, narrate, move objects around while recording. You can create pictures, load pictures, videos, and lesson plans, and create several slides. And at the very end, you would save it as an MP4 file, and then you would upload it to places like YouTube. It's a very easy app to use that I would highly recommend. This is kind of what it looks like. You have various tools over here for writing with different colors and styles. You can bring in pictures and objects. You can bring in text. You can add web pages. You can add video clips. You can add PDFs, Word documents, anything that you can bring into a screen and then annotate and write on top of. So when you're record mode, it does record your voice, and you can continue to create more and more slides so that you could do an entire, say, math presentation using this whiteboard feature. A very robust program and a great method for creating videos. This is a screenshot of what iMovie looks like. Whereas you bring in your various clips, you can cut clips to get rid of bad parts, you can add transitions, you can add voiceover or music if you wanted to, and then it combines all of your clips into one movie at the very end. It's pretty much just dragging clips into it, and on the timeline either getting rid of parts, deleting parts, or enhancing your video. iMovie. And then the fourth method that we have here at TCC is, because we are using Blackboard, we have access to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, which some of you may be using for your office hours with your students, where they see you, you see them. You can have a session where you can open a PowerPoint, you can open up a whiteboard, you can open up a website, and in live time you can share this with them. But also you can also record any kind of a Blackboard session, whether it be a live session or you're just recording it because you would like to share this with your students at a later point. They're not really logged in live with you, but you do want to do a PowerPoint, or you do want to go over a website or a document or a PowerPoint and share it. So by recording, it does have the webcam, and you can record you also along with anything that you do on your computer. And that's Blackboard Collaborate, and we do offer workshops on that topic. This pretty much is the interface for Collaborate, and it gives you a chance to check all your equipment first, your microphone and your webcam. Gives you a place where you can load content before you record, like your PowerPoints or websites. You can collaborate using a whiteboard application that you can actually write on. And then it uses your voice and video to communicate. But once you finish it, it saves it into that particular class, and then directly in Blackboard, you can create links to your various course content videos. Now, once you finish these videos, where do you store them so that your students will be able to have access to them and watch them? Well, we will be teaching a class on how to create a YouTube channel, but everybody has a YouTube channel because we have Google Apps for Education. So we will show you how to set that channel up, and then anything you've created with your iPad, with Panopto, with PowerPoint, any video file, you'll be able to upload to YouTube, where it will be encoded so that when students click on it, they get the best possible experience. And YouTube videos can be embedded directly into Blackboard. We also have access to a Google Drive where you can store videos. And on a Google Drive, if you give access to a video, your students will be able to watch them on the Google Drive just like they do on YouTube. They can download them if you would let them download them. You can collaborate with students with anything in your Google Drive. Now, when you use Panopto, the nice thing about that is it does load directly once you finish a video to the TCC Panopto video server. It also will load directly into your Blackboard course so that students can go into the course, go to the Panopto tool, and then play back various videos. And then there is a feature in Blackboard to upload any kind of video file. I don't really like using that very much unless you're using Collaborate, which loads automatically. But other videos you should look more into either YouTube or Google Drive. With Panopto, anything you create with Panopto can be made into a MP4 file, which you could then also upload into these various other Google Drives here. So that's a very short introduction to 4 that we will be teaching you on how to create videos. This was created by the TCC Faculty Professional Development Department in the fall of 2017. We look forward to seeing you in some of the workshops during the month of November.